So what's going on, guys? Scratched my paint on my water pump. Not happy about that. Or whatever. Anyways, man. But anyways, we'll get over that. I'll get over it. So I took the existing bracket, since we have the aftermarket bracket as well, and it fits the AC just perfect, and it looks all brand new. Well, I have to still have the power steering pump mounted. So what I did is I took the original bracket and modified it and chopped it up. There's a piece down here missing, and the piece up here is missing. So I'm going to tack that in place, and then it's pretty tight. It's pretty tight, you know. It's kind of like, and then that's adjustment right there is going to work. So this is actually two pieces, and then I'll modify this somehow to fit right there somehow. I think I took a little too much meat off that bone, but whatever. So stay tuned. Let me weld it up real quick for you guys. Still rolling. Still rolling. Alright, that'll work for right now. So let me show you what's going on. So all I did was put 4 tacks in there just for a mock-up. You know, I still can adjust right there, and I have my adjustment right here. I'm going to pull